Hi everybody, hope you're all well. Today I'm going to show you a story, Bear Snores On. It's by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in a deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps for the day and he sleeps for the night. The cold wind howls and the night sound growls, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, crib crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The cold pit pops and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snaff at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've bought honey nuts," badger says with a grin. "Let's sieve them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch and they chew, chomp, chomp, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. More mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clatters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear slips through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear roar, achoo! Oh dear. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear nowls and he snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. "You've sneaked into my lair, you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blabbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, bear sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp clear dawn, bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Keep well, keep safe, and speak to you all soon. Bye-bye.